Hey everyone, heads up. Our sun is acting up again, and we're in for a bit of a light show and maybe some tech glitches. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, has just issued a forecast for a powerful solar eruption expected to hit Earth very soon. A massive burst of solar material, known as a coronal mass ejection, is on a collision course with our planet. This CME is linked to a pretty strong solar flare and could trigger what's called a G3 geomagnetic storm. Now, on the space weather scale, G3 is considered strong, don't worry. It's not the end of the world, but it can cause some minor issues with our technology, like satellite disruptions and messing with radio communications. But here's the cool part. This solar activity could also create some absolutely stunning auroras. We might see the northern lights much farther south than usual, lighting up skies from the lower Midwest all the way to Oregon. So, what exactly is space weather? Think of it like regular weather, but happening beyond our atmosphere. The sun is constantly sending out energy, charged particles, and bursts of radiation. Most of the time, Earth's magnetic field protects us. But sometimes these solar storms are strong enough to break through. When they do, they can interact with our atmosphere, creating those beautiful auroras. But it's not all pretty lights. Strong space weather can affect GPS, power grids, and communication systems. Remember back in May 2024? A huge G5 storm created auroras worldwide, but also caused some real world problems. GPS guided tractors went off course in the Midwest, and flights had to be rerouted. Just this week, a powerful flare caused a major radio blackout over Australia. The sun is currently near the peak of its 11-year cycle, called the solar maximum, which means we're seeing a lot more of this activity. So keep an eye on the sky for a potential aurora display, and maybe don't be too surprised if your GPS acts a little funky. It's just a little reminder of the incredible forces at play in our solar system. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on what's happening in our universe.